Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matt Leshper with 1836 Property Management, as always in the middle of beautiful Austin, Texas. This is February 2022, and we've got some stats for you. We're going to get a little bit granular this month to give some clarity to some of our investors and to some of our agents and everybody else, just so that we're all on the same page. So what we're going to discuss is potential resident inquiries. So any inquiries that come in from people seeking information about one of our properties for lease. We've got a graph that should show up for you shortly on the screen, and you're going to see a lot of data from the entire year of 2021. What you're going to notice that's going to be really interesting is how dramatic the drop is once we get to the winter months. Everybody knows summer is peak, and what's really interesting is people start early. When I started this business 15 plus years ago, everybody was kind of, as soon as the kids got out, June, July really picked up, and now it's earlier than that. It's really April, May, and then it bleeds into the summer from there. But I can tell you our phone traffic picks up dramatically. April and then even March is much different than February. So you're going to see that the summer months remain the busiest. So you've got to have your property ready and available by summer, not just emptying out in the summer, because you can't get vendors nowadays in Austin, Texas. And during the winter, if you're an investor, you've got to have money in the bank ready to survive those winter months. Because if you go vacant in the winter, whether it's accidental, whether it's just because that's the way the lease ended or whatever it may be, you're going to get vendors faster than the summer. But it's going to take you a while to get some potential tenants to be interested in your property or even show it. So you can see here how dramatic that change is. Keep in mind that we track these numbers so that we can speak to you very transparently and honestly so that you're not making bad investment decisions. We've had some owners this year that have come in, bought investment properties, and then gone, oh my God, I've got to sell it if I can't make rent. Well, first off, you've got to have some money in the savings so that you can survive those things like HVAC replacements, hot water heater replacements, vacant months, make ready costs, all those good things. But just because the times get tough for a month or two doesn't mean you're going to stay that way eternally. We can actually monitor your return on equity over time, as well as your vacancy and maintenance and all the other expenses. And over a course of years, you'll see that this all balances out. That's why real estate is such a great investment tool, not to mention the leverage you get from using the bank's money. So be sure you keep this in mind. That if you have any questions, speak to your property manager, get some clarification on the data, and let the data guide you. Don't try to go with your gut, because if you've gone big in a month or two, your gut's going to tell you you need to bail, and that's exactly what they tell you not to do in the stock market, is panic when something hits. If you need more data, you can always find it online at 1836propertymanagement.com/market-insights, but you can find that on our website as well. And if we can do anything for you here in beautiful Austin, Texas, to help you with investing, suggestions, just to collaborate, that's what we're here to do, is build those long-lasting relationships. Find us online at 1836propertymanagement.com or give us a call, 512-994-4323. We'll see you in March. Bye-bye.